I am Ravinder Singh. I am currently working with Adobe Systems as a lead software engineer. If I tell you about KIIT, I was here a student, passed out in 2007. I did MCA here. So, what to start with KIIT? We got admitted here in 2004. That was the second batch that started at KIIT. So, as per internal interaction, our interactions with the management, I will especially mention her, sir, Nilima ma'am, means that personal interaction itself started from the first day when we meet them at the Kurukshetra when there was a campus drive that was being happening for hiring the students at that point. So there itself that personal bond was being happened. We actually collaborated there, and that love and affection that we especially get from management, from the teachers, that personal attention, that personal help, that was means I will say that shaped up our career. The guidance means when we come as a bachelor here means I will say there was no particular guidance that was available to us, but these people they actually guided us. They shared their views. They actually guided us that where exactly we can step up. So that particular things helps us a lot to start with. So I have been passed out is close to 6 years now, and even before passing out, I was being placed in a very good company named Honeywell. I was being placed in Bangalore. So that was the great place that I was being startup means at that particular time in 2007-8 it was a kind of recession. Still we get that start. We reached at this position. So in 6 years reaching at this particular position, I give the complete credit to I will say Mr. Harsh Kamra, Nilima ma'am. So that particular support, that love, that guidance, that helps us a lot. So as per future, if I specify at KIT, now there are many courses. BTech is there, MTech is there, MCA is there, BCA is there, and the career is very vast in these areas. If we say there are many new companies that are coming these days, they are, if as a career objective, if you either take MBA, you either take MCA, you either take BTech, means the scope is very vast. This, I will say, India and China are the markets these days which are actually capturing for the software industry. So to start with, and now one more benefit this college, this is in NCR. So NCR, so many companies. If we specify very good names, Google is there, Microsoft is there, Adobe is there, means so big brands are there. So that help, that guidance. Now if I further talk about qualifications, so itself director sir. So he is involved in so many research. He still personally guides us. I am personally in touch with him for so many things. So he guides us through so many things to proceed in our career, to guide actually those things, to interact. They arrange some guest lectures. So that was also helpful. In our time also people from industry they were coming, they give us industry lectures and that was of real help. So I will say the main benefit that we guys got from KIT, that was the personal interaction with the outside industry guys as well as the guidance from the management. So that really helped us to grow in our career, to set up ourselves. So for the new students, I would just like to suggest that I haven't seen any college, means I have done my graduation, so I don't even remember the names of the faculties there. But here I am having my personal interaction, personal attachment with the college, with the management. The teachers today itself recognize me. So that is the main thing, whether you are personally attached with them. You have that internal feeling from your side that you get it to be done. You have to do something. So that thing is there. So I just suggest that that love, that affection you will not get from anywhere. So I think that's about KIT. So I personally suggest that go for it. That's it.